Need to quickly show someone exactly where are you? In this video, I will show you how to share your live location on WhatsApp. Launch your WhatsApp, make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the chats page, then open the conversation with whom you want to share your live location. Now at the bottom, you're going to find the message box. Along with that, you're going to find this plus icon. Click on that. Now select the option location. Now you're going to get different options. Select the option share live location. Make sure you have given access of location to your WhatsApp. Now you can set a timer for how long you want to share your live location, like 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. You can also add a caption if you would like. Once ready, tap the arrow icon to send it. If you want to stop sharing before the timer runs out, just tap stop sharing. A pop-up will appear. Confirm by tapping stop sharing again. And that's it. Now you know how to share and stop your live location on WhatsApp anytime. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.